Top 10 must-have tools for every professional auto workshop. Running a professional auto workshop requires having the right tools to efficiently and effectively handle a wide range of automotive tasks. Here are the top 10 must-have tools for every professional auto workshop. 1. Diagnostic scanner. A high-quality diagnostic scanner is essential for identifying and troubleshooting issues in modern vehicles. It allows you to access the onboard computer system, read error codes, and perform comprehensive diagnostics. 2. Car lift or hoist. A reliable automotive lift or hoist is crucial for easy access to the undercarriage of vehicles. It makes tasks like inspections, repairs, and maintenance on suspensions, exhaust systems, and transmissions more efficient and safer. 3. Air compressor. An air compressor provides a continuous supply of compressed air for various tasks, including inflating tires, operating pneumatic tools, and cleaning parts. 4. Impact wrench. An impact wrench is a powerful tool that allows for quick and efficient removal and tightening of lug nuts, bolts, and other fasteners. It saves time and effort when working with stubborn or tight components. 5. Hydraulic press. A hydraulic press is invaluable for tasks like removing and installing bearings, bushings, ball joints, and other press-fit components. It provides controlled force and precision during these operations. 6. Torque wrench. A torque wrench ensures that fasteners are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications, preventing over-tightening or under-tightening. It is essential for maintaining proper torque values on critical components. 7. Welding equipment. Welding equipment, such as a MIG or TIG welder, enables repairs and fabrication of metal components. It is essential for tasks like welding exhaust systems, frame repairs, and custom modifications. 8. Battery charger and tester. A battery charger and tester help diagnose and charge automotive batteries. It allows you to assess battery health, perform charging cycles, and revive weak batteries. 9. Specialty tools. A collection of specialty tools, such as ball joint separators, bearing pullers, brake caliper piston compressors, and serpentine belt tools, are essential for specific tasks. These tools enable you to work on specialized components and systems efficiently. 10. Quality hand tools. A comprehensive set of high-quality hand tools, including socket sets, wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, and hammers, is indispensable for general repairs, maintenance, and various automotive tasks. Also, a set of tools cabinet has most of these hand tools and will save you time from searching for individual tools. But if you are on a budget, these can be acquired one by one. These top 10 tools form the foundation of a professional auto workshop, enabling you to handle a wide range of tasks efficiently and provide quality service to your customers. Additionally, investing in reliable and durable tools ensures longevity and reduces the risk of tool failure, ultimately enhancing productivity and customer satisfaction. You can get these tools from our website www.autocare360yx.com or from our affiliate links below this video.